Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm showing how to change the display on an iPhone 14. First, they took a small screwdriver and opened two small screws that were holding down a metal plate. Then, the person took a thin plastic sheet and slid it all around the edges of the screen to separate the glue. After removing the screws, they removed that metal plate. Finally, they unplugged the two thin cables, which were the battery connector and the display cable. After that, they took a brand new iPhone 14 Pro screen, they then transferred some parts from the old broken display to the new one. This usually includes the earpiece speaker, the speaker you use for calls, the front camera module. It has the camera and other sensors. They carefully unscrewed these parts from the old screen. And then screwed them into the corresponding spots on the new screen. Then, the person cleaned the edge of the phone's frame very nicely to remove all the old glue. Next, they took a new waterproof seal. They put this blue sticker very neatly all around the phone. This helps make the phone water resistant again. After putting the new glue, the person connected the two main cables, those two tapes you mentioned, back onto the motherboard. They put the metal plate back on the cables. They screwed those two small screws back into them to secure the connections. Finally, they gently pressed the new screen down onto the phone's frame. It clicked right into place because of the new glue adhesive. And with the screws in place, the phone is all set. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.